Good morning, children. In our last video, you learn about poem. The name of the poem is What's in My Pocket. The poem name is What's in My Pocket. Today we are going to learn question and answer, true or false, and rhyming words. Now let us once again I will read poem. A nail, a male, a net, a pet, a louse, a mouse, a piece of string, my sister's ring, a piece of chalk, a small round rock, a rubber band, seashells and sand, a red crayon, a well-licked bone, there is the other pocket too, full of things old and new. I bet you are dying to hear of the things that are there. Okay, children, you learn this poem and next the true or false. Learn about the true or false. The first one, write true or false. The pocket is big. The pocket is big or small? The pocket is a big. The first one is true. The poeter pocket is a big pocket. Okay, children, the first one is true. Second one, the pocket has a many things. The poeter pocket has a many things. This also true. The second one also true. And third one, there is a sweet in the pocket. There is the sweet in the pocket. Also there in the poet's pocket. This also true. The third one also true. And next, fourth one, the poet has a two pockets. Poet hatra ಎಷ್ಟು pocket ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Two pocket ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes. The poet has a two pockets. This is true or false? The fourth one also true. Yes. Once again I will tell now. The pocket is a big. First one true. The second one, the pocket has a many things. True. And next, there is a sweet in the pocket. True. And the poet has two pockets. True. Okay, children, learn is true or false. And next, second one, B1, answer in a few words. There are many things in the pocket name. There are many things in the pocket, no? The poeter pocket. The first one, the two living things. The two living things. Living things means jiva irantadalva. Living things. Two living things. Mouse and louse. Mouse and louse. And second one, two things the person found near the seaside. Seaside means samudra antaralva. Samudradalli. Two things the person found near the seaside. First one, seashells and sand. The person found near the seaside. Okay, children, understood? The third one, something to write on the board with. Something to write on the board. Chalk piece. Yes. The fourth one, something to color with. Something to color with red crayon. Yes, the red crayon is also there in the poet's pocket. Yes. The something to color with red crayon. Yes. Next, learn about the rhyming words. Rhyming words. Read the following. The first one, a piece of chalk, a small round rock. Which two words have the same sound at the end? At the same sound at the end. The words means chalk ರಾಕ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಚಾಕ್ ರಾಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಚಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಕ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಚಾಕ್ ರಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ chalk chalk rock round chalk yes. The words that sound the same are called a rhyming words ಸೇಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಎಸ್ ಚಾಕ್ ರಾಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ Example, fill in the table with rhyming words. One has been done for you. Already one given. Net, pet. Words from the poem. Net, pet na idu enide poem alle idalva idu words rhyming words. Yes. The rock, chalk. Sand, band. Mouse, louse, ring, string. These are all words from the poem. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ land louse nose string bring yes these are all words not from the poem yes okay children next writing what other things can be in the speaker's second pocket can you guess list them in the space below I think there are chocolates, pebbles, earrings, toy, cars, butterfly. These are all things in the speaker's second pocket. Okay children, you learn and write the true or false and question and answer rhyming words write in your class workbook. Keep learning. Thank you.